Hi guys, it's Miss Martinez. We're going to go over our second lesson in phonics today. I hope you're all doing well and staying healthy, and I hope that you're going to learn as much as I need you to learn today. So just keep your eyes on me and turn on your little brain, tick tick. And are you ready to learn? Okay, so we're going to go over our vowels and we're going to go over our sounds like we do every day. And also, we're going to go over the two special sounds that we went over yesterday and some special sound charts as well. And today, we are going to also go over our phonics paper. So be ready to learn. Right, we're going to start off with the vowels. So you know that the vowel is A says A, E says E, I says I, O says ah, and U says ah. Very easy. You're going to mark a smiley face over the short vowel sounds if there's one vowel in the word. Remember that. If there's one vowel in the word, it's marked with a smiley face. So if you're reading through your books and you see one vowel in a word, you always mark it with a smiley face. All right? And so now we're going to go on to the long vowel sounds. So I have my pointer stick here. I know you're familiar with it. So we're going to go ahead and go over the long vowel sounds. A says A, E says E, I says I, O says O, and U says U. And sometimes, ooh, that's right. So, boys and girls, remember when you're marking your words in your little stories that you're reading and you come up with to a word that has two vowels, remember that the first vowel takes the long sound and you mark it with a straight stick, a thinking cap, and the second vowel is sh, silent. Remember, if there's a vowel next to the first vowel, you cross it off, it's silent. Two vowels go walking. The first one says the talking with the long sound, and the second one is silent. If there is a word that has an E at the end, remember, like the word time, there's that magic E at the end, you cross that last E off. Okay, so just to go over that those rules really quickly. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go over our chart. So we're going to go over the chart 7. So let's say it with me. Br in bride, BR. Dur in drum, DR. Per in pray, PR. Gr in grin, GR. Sm in smoke, SM. Sk in scat, SC. Sk in skate, SK. Sp in spade, SP. Cur in crab, CR. Tw in twins, TW. Spull in splash, SPL. Spur in sprain, SPR. Skr in scream, SCR. Squat in squeak, SQU. Sn in snack, SN. Sl in sleep, SL. Stir in stream, STR. Swip in swim, SW. Remember, if you are reading your little books and you come up with a word that has a BR or DR or an SL, you're circling them. Okay, boys and girls, you're looking, you're eye spying with your little eye any words that have these special sounds. All right, good job. Now we're going to go over the chart 11. Are you ready? Here we go. In shovel, O. In banana, A. S in city, C. In faucet, A-U. In saw, A-W. E in leaf, E-A. In thread, E-A. A in steak, E-A. E in brownie, I-E. E in key, E-Y. A in obey, E-Y. F in foam, P-H. K in chorus, C-H. Ought in thought, O-U-G-H-T. Ought in caught, A-U-G-H-T. J in giant, G. J in fudge, D-G-E. Again, remember when you're reading, you're looking for these special sounds so you could circle them. All right? Good job. Now we're going to go over. Yesterday we learned about A and obey, right? And E and key. Remember they both have the same letters, but they say different sounds. This one says A and obey, E-Y. Remember we went over the words they, obey, survey, and obeying. So remember if you see these EY letters in the back of a word or in between a word in your books, circle them. The same thing for the E and key. Remember, if you see an EY at the end of the words, like donkey, remember this one, and turkey, and then we have monkey and money, honey, and chimney. All of those have an EY sound as in key, EY. All right? Very good. So now that we're done with those special sounds, I'm going to go ahead and just use my flashcards and just quickly go over them using the flashcard. Ready? Let's see if you can do these with me. Say them with me. Burr, der, per, ger, sm, sk, sk, sp, ker, twa, spl, spl, spur, skr, skr, squ, squ, sn, sl, stir, sw. Good. You notice we repeated because we want to make sure that you're getting that in your brain, okay? All right, so remember, when you're reading, you look for these special sounds and you mark them. All right? Remember that if you have any questions, you can call me. Your mommy can get me on the phone to talk to you. I'll be staying in touch with you throughout the week, this week, okay? And now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at this little, these sentences here, and we're going to try and see if we can hear and I spy, right, with your little eye, and hear, listen to 2 words that rhyme in each sentence. So let's go over the first ones, okay? I'll mark them as we read them so you remember what you would mark if you were here on the board, all right? Here we go. The first one, it says I. I is a sight word. I can, one vowel, remember, smiley face. Wash. The word wash has a special sound. Wa in wash, W-A. And it also has sh in ship, S-H. So wash, wash. I can wash the pan. I can wash the pan. What 2 words in that sentence rhymes? Which 2 words, they sound the same? Let's read it again. I can wash the pan. Did you choose can and pan? Very good. I'm glad you did. You did remember and heard that those 2 words sound the same. They have the same vowel sound, which is the short vowel sound, right? And they end with the same consonant sound, an. Okay, let's see the next one. Did Jim hit the rim? Question mark. It's a question, right? That sentence is a question, so you end it with a punctuation, which is the question mark. The last one just ended with a period. Which 2 letters did you hear that rhyme? Did Jim hit the rim? Oh, did you hear that? Did you hear that Jim and rim, they sound the same? Good. I'm going to underline those 2. They both have the I, the 2 ending sounds that are the same. Good job. Let's go to the third one. Please eat your peas. Did you hear those 2 sounds? Did you hear the ones that sound the same? And they both are pretending to be Z's, but they have S's. So let's see. Please eat your peas. So did you hear that 2 words, the one at the beginning and the one at the end, they sound the same, right? Well, if you caught that, you're right. Great job, guys. Let's go to the next sentence, all right? Jan took a quick look. Let's read it again, okay? Jan took a quick look. Which one? Oh, good. Took and look. Did you get those? You are really, really listening carefully. Great job, guys. So took and look. They have in book, o, the same special sounds, right? And they both end with the k sound. Very good. And remember that when you're beginning a sentence, it starts with a capital. All of these are capitalized, and all of them have a punctuation at the end. In this case, a period and a period, question mark and a period. Very good. Let's go to the next one. Dad turned around when he heard a sound. Period. Okay, listen up again. Dad turned around when he heard a sound. You caught that one right away, right? Good. So you're right. If you said around and sound are the two words that rhyme, the two words that sound alike, in that last sentence, you were right. Very good. Yay! Good job. Winner, winner, chicken dinners. All right. The next thing we're going to do is work on our paper. Everyone should have, in their packet, should have one of these papers here. Normally, we just take this in class. Remember how I tell you no peeky and no ostrich necks? Remember I tell you, hey, keep your eyes on your own paper. This is a paper you're going to go ahead and complete at home. Now, I trust you're doing it all by yourself, okay? So the first thing you're going to see is that just like the other papers that I ask you to work on it by yourself, we're going to listen to 3 sounds that I tell you, I dictate to you, and you're going to write it. So can you see it has 3 empty blanks at the top? You're used to this already, so I know you get it. I'm going to tell you a special sound, and you're going to write it. All right? Are you ready with your pencil? And do you have your paper in front of you? Okay, good. Then you're ready. So the first sound that I'm going to say, I'm going to tell you an easier blend, okay? All right, here we go. Please write this blend. St, ah. St, ah. Sta. Write it right here on this first blank. Sta. The next one. In the middle, right here, right in the middle. Ready? Cur, I. Cur, I. Cri. Okay, the next one. The last one there. Ready? P, oo, ah, plaw. P, oo, ah, plaw. Did you hear those 3 sounds? Good. So don't worry. You can just play this over again. If you didn't get the sounds that I said to you, don't worry. Don't stress out. You could just pause the tape and just go ahead and rewind it. No problem. As many times as you want. All right? So now we're going to go to section 2. It's asking you to fill in the bubble, right? Next to the special sound, next to the blend that will complete the word completely and correctly, okay? So let's take a look. It says, fill in the circle beside the special sound that completes each word. So let's look at the picture. That's going to give you a hint. What does that word say? Does it say pull, a, n, because it has 2 vowels, right? You could even mark the vowels. right? You can mark the vowels. Pl, a, n. Or is it full, a, n, flame? You can do it. If you need help, mommy and daddy will help you. It's okay to do that. Alrighty. Now let's go over to the next one. That is a picture of a shell, right? Sh, sh, L. L is already there. We need the special sound sh. Sh in ship. Is it the top or the bottom? Try to do that by yourself. If it's difficult, just ask mommy and daddy. They'll help you. But if you marked the SH, you got it right. Now let's go to number 3 over here on this side. That is a picture of a smile, right? Smile. And there's already the aisle there. So this first vowel would say the long sound and the last E would be silent. So you need to choose a special sound. What is the special sound that you hear at the beginning of the word smile? Is it sm, aisle, or sp, aisle? I think you got it. Easy peasy, right? All right. And now go to the bottom part of the paper, number 3. It says to circle the special sounds and mark the vowels. Do your best, please. Just do your best. And if you want to move ahead, you can. If not, we'll just do this paper together, all right? So don't worry, I'll go ahead and do this with you. Here we go. The first one says fan, so you're going to put a smiley face over the a, like this. The next one says list, li, I, smiley face, and then you're going to circle the ST, right? Got it. The next one is fine, fine, tick, circle CK, close, skill, cone, ant. See that? Gleam. EA is a special sound, so you circle it in gleam. Sleep, 2 vowels. And the last one is shed. Circle SH, and then just put a smiley face over the E. And that's it. You're done. Got it? You can go over this tape as many times as you need to. All right, boys and girls, that's the end of our second lesson of phonics. You stay safe, behave, make good choices, and I'll be talking to you soon. I love you. Bye-bye.